So the 2022 New York International Auto Show kicks off today, and they got tons of cool new things for you to check out. So instead of the usual, hey, let's check out a car, you got tracks where you can actually sit in the passenger side and be driven around, you know, a bit of a lap or two, depending on which one you go to, and see how they feel. And we definitely wanted to highlight the Kia EV6. Now, we were at the official unveiling of it in Times Square, so I guess it's only right that we go back to New York to get a quote test drive. Now, this model has about 167 horsepower, but a hell of a lot of torque. So of course, flooring it, definitely felt it, almost dropped the damn phone while doing it. But good enough to, you know, if you got a tight space and you're trying to hop on the highway from a yield. It's actually pretty roomy inside. Me and the gentleman driving me, we were both like over round or over 6 foot, and I didn't have to move my seat back, and there was room for people behind me to sit, no problem. Real minimalistic interior. Looking forward to getting behind the wheel of one. I'm on the list, but you know, I think it's a popular item, so it might be a while before we get a chance to actually get behind it, spend a week and really review it. The model we were in was their base model. They call it the Light Edition, and this gives you rear-wheel drive, starts around 41K, gives you about a 230-something mile range. Since they're using just multi-charging situation from Hyundai, this will give you super fast charging, where you can get 20 to 30 minute charge to fill you up from low percentage, as well as being able to, as well as having a vehicle to load feature, which allows you to charge everything from electronics, different things, and other than damn near your house via 1900 watts of power. So along with that, they have electric mobility area, which is pretty much a bunch of e-bikes and scooters that you can hop on. They have a little small track you can do it. I hopped on a scooter. There was no one there to catch me footage of me going very wobbly. It's been forever since I've been on one. They have that, and then you go upstairs. They have 2 regular tracks with Hyundai's award-winning car of the year, Ioniq 5, where you can go around, I think you go 2 laps, and then Ford, their E-Mustang, and their much anticipated F-150 Lightning. So if you're definitely in the New York City area within the next week or so, or you can check out the New York Auto Show and Jacob Javits Center. We'll have a link in the description below with all the information and where you can buy tickets. As per usual, thanks for watching, because you could be anywhere in the world and you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.